Seems to be a clear day here at Dapitan City. However, I am stranded here. Our trips got cancelled and I don't know what to do next. But I think I need to go to the port and kind of find some trip or some route that I can take. This is gonna be my first time being stranded in this kind of trip. I really wonder why there's a typhoon when in fact the sun is out. According to the forecast, it was estimated to landfall here at Dapitan around 2 p.m. and it's still 8:30. Yeah, the sun is still up, so we'll probably move right after breakfast going to the port because transportation is really hard here at Dapitan, where in fact you just only have a trike to go anywhere else here. I'm still sleepy. So I received a text from my friend. He said that there might be a trip 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. so I need to get up real quick. So just finish this breakfast for like 5 minutes and go. So I'm done having my breakfast and let's try to have a quick look here. Travel Bay Heritage Inn at Dapitan because this is probably one of the most unique hotel I've seen since Dapitan is actually it's the shrine city of the Philippines and actually the national hero of the Philippines, Estrada, was actually exiled here. And the lobby of the hotel really looks like ancient times. You can see that around me, but I won't be staying so long because I need to hurry because it's almost 9 a.m. and it's 9 a.m. and I need to go. Bam. Bam. Thank you. Pantalan. Guys, so nanami karon sa Port area nas James. Otro po rin sa stranded, salamat. Wala stranded rin. So, ang ko ang sakyan na barko kanyang shipping. Walay tao ang ilahang outlet. I was hoping to ask the attendant there para official sila mo yung cancel. Kaya wala pa ko yung text ng tawatan po, so wala. Ang problema naman na rin kay walay biyahe today. Kasi hayag or I think niya umulan siya. Pero karon lang ako inaot lang. Ay tao dito sa Papalyong para mo entertain mo. Kung entertain mo sayo siya. Pero wala man, so akong plana ni is matulog. Okay ba?
Putuwok sa port.
Putuwok sa port.
Putuwok na lang.
Ang option B is masakay sa fast craft, pero ang ngayon sa guard niya kay dili sila mo issue ticket for tomorrow. Kaya ilang i-prioritize sa mga night ticket karon o kagahapon. So ang may tabuhan ni karon, ang earliest trip nga ako masakyan possibly is tomorrow 2 a.m. or 10 a.m. Kung makalukat og ticket. So sa taan ni ron, sa port ani matulog.
Putuwok lagi, putuwok.
Ikaw nasa kong bag, bugat niya kong bag.
Hashtag never again.
Hashtag struggle is real. Hashtag never again. Hashtag
never again, never land trip again.
Hashtag text Baguio stop to 2366. Kasugod ang dag-om. So muna to siya ang calm before storm. Ganyan. Kanya. Luya na mo ano eh. Budiga na mo to. Budiga na mo to nga ni Luya na eh.
Ang budiga mong naong.
Silak taon eh. Heist. Heist. So muna niya mong evacuation center. Wala na siya mong evacuation center dito sa Dapitan while waiting for Coast Guard to give clearance to the boat. May paspas lang pag-gibaw niya. Alas 4 kaya makalarga na yun. May kabuka gito eh.
Hindi, lagi daw ang dagat sa Baguio.
So matong, hindi siya kalibangon para paspas. Kabuya eh. So muna siya. Just probably update you later guys. Of course, lang yung kaysa niya kami talagang sounded.
Madere, bored na.
So it's already 12 in the afternoon here at Dapitan and cancel gaya po ng barko. A lot of people here at my back and my cap's there and James is still there. So actually I'm just waiting for some news or some kanang barko nga magpa-issue ticket because I don't think that Papalyong still has slots for the next few days. So it's gonna stay here for a while.
O pa siya ka-realize buong. Nagbang?
Lag kayo eh. Oo, fully booked to. Karin. Tutong 4 na, cancel trip 3. Awa, nakabutang dire kay 3 ra. Matag-go ka ron eh. Sa dugay lang pambot. Sa ka makalargan. Bibigay ka na. So it's past 12, almost 1 actually, and so just gonna stay here at the port and wait for some news. First, let's just eat for lunch. Kay kigutom namin. When kami og lunch, then kami kukal yung na office niya. Mora gyapon ang update. So duha-duhaan pagid ang kukal yung na larga for today. So hopefully ampul lagi ta guys nga. Kuan kamadayon ta kay Kapri kayo nga masanded ta pila ka taon diri. Taon kay pulibok na betanan na. Aon na lang. So bye-bye. So guys, we just had a very good dinner at the Carinderia. Lamig kay ang tinulang isda. And then, ikan may kukal yung office, and then ang ilahang new departure time is 7 p.m. So it's almost 6, like 5:45, and then hopefully we'll get board soon. So guys, update, it's 7:20 and finally naabot na ang fast scrap. Pero ilahan itong James, so ilabot ako. Bye-bye.
See you, Cebu. Tara Cebu, si Jay. Bye-bye.
Good luck sa Sibulan. Uy, imong kuano Sprite. Leave no trace, uy. So yeah, ako na bilhin dito. Okay, so I think I need to prepare now. Tama. Okay guys, so kanus amin nag-boarding karon pa nag-boarding karon pa ni ulan, so we have to go and then go fast kay basi pusod ng ulan kung basa ang camera. So let's go. I'm already here inside my accommodation and sounds cozy. Okay, so I'm just gonna end my vlog here, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share, peace and love. Bye bye.